Companies are collecting and processing vast troves of data about their equipment and facilities, from sources like equipment sensors, video cameras, and business applications. Many companies want to combine this disparate data to create a virtual representation of their physical systems, called a digital twin, to help them optimize industrial operations, increase production output, and improve equipment performance. Building and managing digital twins can be time-consuming and costly, but it doesn't have to be. Introducing AWS IoT TwinMaker. AWS IoT TwinMaker makes it faster and easier to create digital twins. Model real-world systems by connecting to different data sources, like time series sensor data from equipment, video feeds from cameras, and maintenance history from business applications. Build a digital twin graph that understands the relationships and context among the data sources, and bring it all together in a 3D application of your physical environment that displays data and insights with spatial context, helping your operators make better, data-driven decisions. Try AWS IoT TwinMaker today to realize the potential of digital twins with an immersive view of your facilities. To learn more, visit our website.